My friends are funnier than yours. My friends are funnier than yours. Angithi senizohamba niyovakasha eSwatini? Kuyagxivizwe nje ama-passports. Do you guys know ukuthi i-taxi eSwatini is 370 rands? Isuka la ngase-YMCA emlapha ngasemakethe 370. Yabo ukuthi akuyona ngisho i-round yotshwala. And into engiyithandayo ngokuya eSwatini akufani naseMaritzburg. Hey ngiyadlala senifuna ukuthi usephinde wakhuluma ngathi eMaswatini. Hey phela mina ngicishe ngaklinywa abantu. Ukhulume ngathi eNigeria. Khulume ngathi eNigeria. Ngiyaxakeka nje wonke umuntu, ma South Africans akufuna kabi wena. Ukhulume ngawe eNigeria. Ngitheni? Wena wakhuluma ngathi eNigeria. Ngitheni? Hayi ngize ngiyibone le video ekuthiwa iya trend. Mangithi ngiyayibuka ivideo. Mina number one, that video was from 2016. It's already had over 1 million views of people who understand comedy laughing. And then someone decided to take less than 2 minutes of it, of a full performance. Like today, umuntu amasathathe ama-sentence awu-4. Mese yawa-trend isathi uThenjiwe usithukile. Mungathatha nje i-sentence ngithi eMaritzburg kubuya nephuza face, musuthi uThenjiwe uyasizonda eMaritzburg. Because not everyone has a sense of humor. And I want to explain that issue namhlanje. Because even ama-journalist ayafona abuza ngalezo zinto. Ngithi mina isekho ngempela indaba senibuza lento. Mina ngafika eNigeria ngancoma ama-6 pack. Bayajima ngempela ke. Mina personally i-6 pack ngayigcina ngoShaka Zulu. Mina umuntu wami ngacishe ngamenzela ibaby shower ngibona umkhaba. Shuthi lo bhuti yamthunuka kabi. Wazi wacishisa izingane ukubuka uKhokomelon. Wa record ivideo yokuthuka uThenjiwe. Iyangifonela le journalist ithi usithukile. Ngithi nginithuke ngathini? Uthe wena amadoda ase-South Africa anemkhaba namaqhuzu eBarrett. Ngithi mina nawe ngikuthukile usithuke sonke. Ngithi bhuti unomkhaba neqhuzu leBarrett. Cha. Pho manje wena ngikuthuke kanjani ngento onganayo? Mase ngithi nje manje ngiyawanyanya ama-billionaires. Uzothi ngikuthukile njengoba unganalo nesent. Sometimes things get taken out of context. But because I'm old enough, I've been through enough emhlabeni. To anyone who was offended, from the bottom of my heart, I apologize. I did not mean to offend anyone. Kangisho lamhlanje basikade siwasho nje namhlanje ngiyihlekisela njengoba ngiyihlekisa abantu beni labenihluleka ukubahlekisa. But a lesson that you can take from that ukuthi azikho inkotho emile. And if you are doing something right, there has to be a response. Which means yamhetha ngoba yam-attack. Ukubona umuhleka umuntu eshibilikiswa ikhasi labhanana, suke kungamnandi kuyena. So lo bhuti owenza leyo video, inkinga yakhe ngeke isolve yimini, iyosolve men's clinic. Angeke nje isolve yimini. Emhlabeni ke ngisho ungenzani, khona bazokublame. Even incwadi engcwele iyasitshela. Mina ngubani mina uThenjiwe wakwaMashu. Sengingaba perfect abantu ababethela uJesu. Bamemeza bathi akabethelwe. Makabethelwe kade behamba naye. Because whatever you do ukhona ozo-offendeka. Uma ucabanga nje abase tops mebefika bethi hawu sisadayisa u5 rand owodwa namhlanje kuthiwa hayi kufika uJesu wathenga iwayini elilodwa wase enza lemlingo yakhe lafida abantu abawu 5000 babengeke bathi akabethelwe wena uyi-owner yase-Tops wawuyothini mucabanga nje kufika umphathi wase-Butterworth ethi apha amantombazana ami kuthi uJesu sewasindisile awasafuni inhlobo nekhekhe lawo wena umphathi wase-Butterworth wawuyothini udokotela weyibuko ubona kuyophela isonto lonke akekho othenga izibuko uthi hayibo kwenzekani ngebhizinisi kuthiwa hayi uJesu semane wabenza babona bonke wawuyothini umphathi wasecebo lethu uthi uyafika empty ama-fridge kuthiwa hayi uJesu ufike wabavusa usuyifakile imoto upetrol ukuthi ziyahamba ngeweekend imgodi ngemgodi kuthiwa hayi ufike wabavusa uJesu wawuyothini wena so ke abantu mebekublame it's not always because khona into wrong oyenzayo sometimes your right is wrong to someone else because sometimes uright wakho uyayiphazamisa impilo yomunye so not everything oblayelwa yona i-wrong isuke i-right i-wrong injalo kodwa ke when it comes to companies at Durban before I go there let me just allow you to admire my outfit. This one was made by my very own sister. Engamshiyela ibele. Hey kwake kwathiwa ngichaza ukuthi yini leyo sengifake ngichaze ngesingisi I left like the breast for her. Hey yabona isingisi. It's another outfit that was a surprise. Just like the one you saw from our designer Alfafa. Even this one, I saw it backstage. Hey ngiyawathatha ama chance mina. Hayi mina ngingayenza mina i-arranged marriage. Ngingayenza hey kodwa abanye bayasho ukuthi ayibuye nje vele le yanto indlela esishime ngayo. So this is by Unompucuko Gina. Please support her, order izinto kuyena, and this represents me. And for some reason, they did not even talk to each other. But one outfit represented my London side, the other one represented my Zulu side. So nje, into zami ziyakhanya. My sangoma is the best. Ngicela ukubonga our sponsors, BMW, who's been transporting us up and down, up and down, up and down. Siyabonga. Siyabonga kakhulu kwabaka BMW. Ngimane ngathi yabona nje sengizoyilahla nale ya Porsche yami. Ngenxa nje ye BMW. Siyabonga BMW Pinetown. Guys, please do support them to a point where they don't just give us a lift, basiphi imoto. Ngibonge umuntu ongenzele istage. I did not know the stage until I walked on stage. It's another powerful Durban talent. Uphila Sande. He's an art designer, art director from here at Durban. Use him for izinto zenu. He designs for movies, for TV productions, for your private events, and he was working with Function Images to produce this beautiful stage that represents me so well. Baze basho bathi becoming Dr. Thenjiwe. Nina nibuye nikhohle ukuthi ngu-Dr. Thenjiwe. Yazi nina nibuye nikhohle ukuthi ngu-Dr. Thenjiwe. Hayi mina-ke I'm a proud Dr. Thenjiwe. Kodwa hayi mengiseflightini mase kuthiwa is there a doctor in this flight? Umane ngiye toilet. The second picture represents me so well with my skits, bakithi unesithenjiwe. Mengathi nje la ngithatha ilist ukuthi nje if your relationship was a hospital term ngabe sithini manje? Awu baningi ngabe baye ICU. Awu ngabe kuthiwa nje the patient is not responding sesizame konke. Sesibonga mele ubanana. The other one, Judge Tenjiwe, from one of my shows that I did on South African television, and I am proud of it. It's not easy to get your own sitcom, especially to play yourself, igama lakho. So I'm very happy. I'm very proud because they picked Ama Moments Are Right. The other one, Letty Returning Home, is a true representation of me. Wherever I go, I do my best to represent where I come from, who I am. And then, obviously, traveling the world. Traveling the world, guys, we must travel. We must go and see what's out there. We must see the world. And as a traveler, there is a company that's very close to my heart. Icebo Lethu. Ngicela nibashayele izandla. So phumulaphi. Icebo Lethu did something wonderful. I know about everything they do in South Africa. But there was a gap. Thina sibuye sihlale kwamanye amazwe. Nenibone nakuma social media sekubhaliwe sekuyaqoqwa imali ukuthi abuyiswe. Omunye umuntu uthola ukuthi unayo imali kodwa kuba akekho ozothola ivisa. Ngeke bamnike u-Uncle Maburi ivisa yokuze London azomlanda. Omunye umama uyafisa ukuyomlanda. Form ligcwaliswa ngesingisi. Uyohlala umuntu besinenkinga enkulu. Thina sihlala phesheya lafika icebo lethu la ivala leyo gap. Lathi ngizokwenza umsebenzi wokuthi ngibabuyise ekhaya. With dignity. And sometimes akhona amanye ama companies, they don't understand our culture. They don't understand where we come from. They don't understand what's important to us. Even imingcwabo yabelungu ayifani neyethu. Ngangaya emngcwabeni womlungu kwathiwa John was such a keen marathon runner. Kwathiwa siyogijima 42 kilometers. Emngcwabeni wabelungu niphuma niye pub uyoyithengela ukudla wakho akho 7 colors lapho. Nibe u6 emngcwabeni. Babe ngibuza belungu bathi why are you guys so obsessed with funerals? Everyone who's coming from a funeral, you always ask them, how was it? How is a funeral supposed to be? Aniyazi imingcwabo yethu. Tina, we want to know, were there any children that looked like him? Who was the chief mourner? Ungcwatshwe eyiphi kampani? Because siyazi mekuyicebo lethu. Uzudinelwa bakini uthi buka kweminye imizi bayashona bayangcwatshwa nina nihleki bukana nami. Amabhokisi akhona amana kwenza ufise ngabe bekuwena. Uzuthandaza ubuza uNkulunkulu uthi ngonani mina bayahamba ngapha nangapha. Hayi kodwa nani ecebo lethu nenza kakhulu. Senimane nenza umngcwabo kube into enhle. Senwenza nje kube into enhle. But nje siyabonga kakhulu sisinomfundo siyabonga you your team Snem director ecebo lethu UK and all the representatives. It has made life so easy from us. I mean for us naso ke isingisi kuyasho ukuthi after 9. So nje phela isingisi fanele uqala udle English breakfast manje yasho ukuthi siyaphela. Siyabonga guys, tell everyone that you know. I mean, I'm more concerned about abantu bethu because ngiyakwazi ukuxakeka komuntu wase South Africa ehleli kwelinye izwe esefikelwe isimo sokuthi kumele abuyele ekhaya esethule. It's hard. Everyone you know, tell them it's from 10 pounds. It's not even a beer. They need to join. If they don't join, bajoineleni khona okuncane niyokuthola mebehamba. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the support that you've given me throughout the years. Thank you for the love that you have shown me. Thank you for allowing me to be a fool in front of you and make you laugh. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much for watching. Please do leave us a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Mahala.